POLYCET 2023 Andhra Pradesh paper. In this video, I'll explain 50 multiple choice questions of mathematics. So here, the first question here is, after how many decimal places the decimal expansion of the rational number, 23, first question, 23 by 2 square times 5. So see, to tell the number of decimals, here for 2 power m into 5 power n, whose power is more, like bigger, that many decimals we'll get here. Like here we'll get 2 decimals. So the correct option is here 2. See, because see, correct option is 2. If you want, you can divide and check. Like see, 23 by 2 power 2 into 5 power 1 into 5 into 5. 23 into 5 is 115 by 2 square into 5 square. So 115 by 10 square. So 115 by 100. So 1.15. So in this way. So just you need to see highest power. Now second question. The sum of the exponents of the prime factors. The sum of the exponents of the prime factors in the prime factorization of 156. So first we'll find the prime factors of 156. 2 times 7, 14, 1, 6, 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 9, 18, 3 times 13. So here 156, 2 times 7, 14, 78, 2 times 39, 3 times 13. So exponents are like here 2 power 2, 3 power 1 into 13 power 1. So sum of the exponents, so here it's 2, 1, 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 4. So sum of the exponents in the prime factorization of 156 is 4. So the correct option is 3. The correct option is 3. Next question. For any natural number n, 9 power n cannot end with which of the following digits? Now see, 9 power n. 9 power n. So for example, if you calculate 9 power 1 is 9. 9 power 2 is 81. So 9 power 3 is 81 times again 9. So if you multiply again here, so 81 times 9, so see 9 ones 9, 9 8 72, so again 9. So 9 power 4, if you calculate, 9 power 3 is 729 again into 9. So 9 into 9 again 1. So you will get here 6561. So 9 power any number, 9 power any natural number n if you will take, either it will end with 1 or 9. So here it will not end with the digit 2. So the correct option is here 2. Next, the LCM of 12 and 42. The LCM of 12 and 42. So 12 is 2 square into 3. 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. So 12 is 2 times 6, 2 times 3. 42 is 2 times 21, 3 times 7. So now if you calculate LCM, LCM definition is product of prime factors with the highest power. So 2 square into 3 into 7. So 2 square into 3, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 7, which is nothing but 84. But they told LCM is expressed in the form of 10m plus 4 equals LCM, which is 84. So 10m equals 84 minus 4. 10m equals 80. 10m equals 80. So m equals 80 by 10. M equals 8. So the correct option is 4. Answer is 8. The value of log 1 by log 60 to the base 3 plus 1 by log 60 to the base 4 plus 1 by log 60 to the base 5. So here So logarithm, now see, log a to the base b, you can write as 1 by log b to the base a. So here 1 by log 60 to the base 3 you can write as log 3 to the base 60 plus log 4 to the base 60 plus log 5 to the base 60. Now log a to the base x plus log b to the base x plus log c to the base x is log a b c to the base 60. Log 3 into 4 12, 12 times 5 60. Log 60 to the base 60. Logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. So log 60 to the base 60 is 1. So the correct option is 2. Which of the following collections is not a set? The first question. The collection of natural numbers between 2 to 20. So 2 to 20, like between 2 to 20. So 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, 19. It's a set. The collection of numbers which satisfy the equation. Here you will get two values for x. So that is also a set. The collection of prime numbers between 1 and 100 will get 25 prime numbers. That is also a set. The collection of all brilliant students. Brilliant based on what? So it is not a well defined. So option 4 is not a set. Next question. 7th question, if you'll see here. P is a set such that 3m such that m belongs to natural numbers. So here 3 times m, and m is a natural number. So I'll take it as 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, like that, so on. So the set is P is 3, 6, 9, like 12, 15, so on. Q 3 power m. So it is 3 power 1, natural numbers, again 2, 3 power 3, so on. So in Q you will get like 3, 9, 27. So all the elements of Q will be in P. So Q is subset of P. All the elements of Q are in P. So Q is subset of P. So the correct option is 2. Next one. If A and B are disjoint sets, see, disjoint sets are nothing but the two sets with no common elements in it. Like A is here, B is here. There is no common elements. So total elements are 7. Number of elements in A is 4. So number of elements in B we need to find. So it will be like 3. Because there is nothing common. So clearly here we have 4 elements. So otherwise you can learn this formula. N of A union B equals N of A plus N of B. This is the formula for disjoint. Actual formula is N of A union B equals N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. But A intersection B will be 0. So for disjoints, this is the formula. So now if I will substitute the values, N of A union B is 7, N of A is 4 plus N of B. So 7 minus 4 is N of B. So number of elements in set B is 7 minus 4, which is nothing but 3. So the correct option is 3 here. Option 3. Next one. The sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are given. So sum is here 3 and product is minus 10. So alpha plus beta is 3. Alpha into beta is minus 10. So the formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. K times x square minus alpha plus beta is 3x, alpha into beta is minus 10. So at k is equal to 1, the polynomial is x square minus 3x minus 10. x square minus 3x minus 10. So the correct option is 1. If x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus ax minus 8, then the value of a is, see here, x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. So here the polynomial is x cube minus 6x square plus ax minus 8. If x minus 2 is a factor, so in place of x I'll substitute, then the condition is like f of 2 will be 0. So in place of x I'll substitute 2 cube 6 into 2 square plus a into 2 minus 8 equals 0. 8 minus 6 into 2 square is 4 plus 2a minus 8 equals 0. So here clearly see 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. Minus 24 plus 2a equals 0. So 2a equals plus 24. A equals 24 by 2. So the value of a is 12. So the correct option is 2. Next one. Alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial. So here the polynomial is 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6. If I'll compare with the standard cubic equation, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So the value of a is 2, b is 1, d is 6, c is minus 13, d is 6. So they are asking the value of alpha, beta, gamma, product of the zeros. Product of the zeros formula is minus d by a. Minus d by a. So these are the formulas like alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c by a. Alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. So here minus 6 by a, which is 2. So answer is minus 3. So the correct option is 2. Next one. The number of zeros shown in the graph. See, no zeros. Here like see, will not get any zeros. So 0. Correct option is 1. Because the graph does not cut x-axis. This is x-axis. If the graph cuts like this, we can say 2 zeros. So here no real zeros. So answer is, correct option is 1. Next one. The pair of linear equations has, okay, we need to tell what type of lines. Like, so first equation is here, x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. 3x plus 2y minus 10 equals 0. So 1 by 3 is 2 by 2. Sorry, it's 12. 1 by 3, 2 by 12. So 2 times 1, 2 times 6. So here only they are not equal. 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So the lines are intersecting. If the lines are intersecting, unique solution, which is nothing but you can call it as like one solution. So the correct option is 3. In a competitive examination, 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer, while half mark is deducted for each wrong answer. If a student answered 120 questions and got 90 marks, see, let the correct answers be, number of correct answers be x. So in that case, the wrong answers will be, total is 120. So from 120, if we'll take out x, that will be wrong. So 1 mark is awarded for the number of correct answers. Half mark is deducted. So minus half for number of wrong. Number of wrong or 120 minus x equals total marks he scored is 90. So now if we'll take LCM here, LCM is 2. So 2x minus 120 minus into minus plus x is, so 2x plus x. So 3x minus 120 is 2 times 90 is 180. So 3x is 180 plus 120. 3x is 300. X is 300 by 3. X is 100. So x is nothing but number of correct answers. So in the question they are asking then the number of questions that the student answered correctly. It's nothing but 100. So the correct option is 2. Next question. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? The first question, if we will take a plus b whole cube x cube minus 2. A plus b whole cube, if we will expand, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube equals x cube minus 2. X cube cancel. Here in the equation we have x square. So it is a quadratic equation. Next one. X plus 1 whole square equals 3 into x minus 2. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 3x minus 6. Here also we will be getting like x square. So this is also a quadratic equation. Now third option, if you will check. Third option, that is x plus 2 whole square plus 3 equals x minus 1. Here also see, if we will expand, x square plus 2ab plus b square plus 3 equals x minus 1. Here also we will be getting like x square, so it is also a quadratic equation. So option is 4, but why I'll explain here. So this if I'll take out here. Now see, the fourth option is x plus 2 into x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 3. Now take x and multiply for both. X square minus x, take 2 and multiply for both, plus 2x minus 2. Here also same thing. X square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3. Here x square and x square will get cancelled. So minus x plus 2x is x minus 2. And here minus 2x minus 3x plus x is minus 2x minus 3. See, it is linear equation. Here degree is 1 and 1. So it is not a quadratic equation. So the correct option is here 4. Next question. If one root of the quadratic equation is 1. So if I compare this with the standard one, standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is a into b minus c. B is b into c minus a. C is c into a minus b. Now alpha, if I'll consider as 1, I need to find what is beta. So here I'll use product of the zeros. Alpha into beta is c by a. Alpha is 1, so I need to find beta. Now c value is c into a minus b. And a value is a into b minus c. So this is the answer for beta. So beta is c into a minus b, a into b minus c. C into a minus b by a into b minus c. The correct option is 4. Next one. If sum and product of the quadratic equation, that is kx square plus 6x plus 4k equals 0. Sum and product of the zeros are equal. So here if we'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. A value is k, b is 6, c is 4k. They told in the question sum is equal to product. Sum is alpha plus beta, product is alpha into beta. Minus b by a equals c by a cancel. Minus b is 6, C is 4k. So k is minus 6 by 4. So the value of k is minus 3 by 2. So the correct option is 1. If the numbers n minus 3, 4n minus 2 and 5n plus 1 are in arithmetic progression, then find the value of n. If I'll consider it as like a, b, c. If a, b, c are in AP, then 2b is equal to a plus c. So 2b, b is 4n minus 2, a is n minus 3, c is 5n plus 1. So if I'll simplify, 2 times 4, 8, n, 2 times minus 2 minus 4, n plus 5n 6n, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So 8n minus 6n minus 2 plus 4. 2n equals to n equals 1. So the correct option is 1. In an arithmetic progression, 25th term, see clearly given 25th term is 70 more than 15th term. 70 more than 15th term. So if you apply the formula for an, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here 25th term is a plus n minus 1, 25 minus 1, so 24d, 15 minus 1, 14d. So here a and a cancel. 24d minus 14d is 70. So 24 minus 14 is 10d is 70. So d is 70 by 10, which is nothing but 7. So the common difference is 7. Correct option is 3. Next one. Which term of the geometric progression? So here geometric progression is 2, 2 root 2, 4. So an is 128. A is 2. R is a2 by a1. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 cancel. So r is root 2. An formula is ar power n minus 1 is 128. So a is 2. Root 2 whole power n minus 1 is 128. So here root 2 whole power n minus 1 is 128 by 2. So root 2 whole power n minus 1 is 64. Root if we'll take out 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 is 64. So 2 power n minus 1 by 2, 64 is 2 power 6. Bases are equal. So n minus 1 by 2 equals 6. N minus 1 equals 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So n equals 13. So 13th term is 128. Next question. This is a textbook question. In the geometric progression 162, 54, 18, so on, 2 by 81, 2 by 9, so on. Nth terms are equal. Have their nth terms are equal. So here A is 162, A2 by A1, 1 by 3. Here A is 2 by 81. R is A2 by A1. So 2 by 27 divided by 2 by 81. 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. If we cancel 2, 27 ones, 27 3. So R is 3. So for both the APs, you need to find now AN equals, GP, geometric progression, AN equals AN. So here I'll do it. AN, nth term. AN equals AN. AR power n minus 1. Here A is 162. R is 1 by 3. Here A is 2 by 81. R is 3. So now see here, 2 times 1, 2 times 81. So now this 81 also will transpose 81 into 81. This 3 power 1 if we'll take to the right side, 3 power n minus 1, and already you have here 3 power n minus 1. So 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power. See, both are like same, so directly you can equate n minus 1 equals 4, n equals 4 plus 1, so n equals 5. The detailed explanation of this problem I'll post in the I'll give the link in the description. So n is 5, so the correct option is 3. Next, the points A. See, if we'll draw the graph directly, you can decide it's an isosceles triangle, because see here, minus 5 is here, 5 is here, 0 and 4. So A is this one, and B is 5, B is here. So now C is 0 comma 4, which is here. So now if you'll join, see this distance clearly, this distance is 10. Minus 5 to plus 5 distance is 10, and if you'll join like this, these two distances are equal, this equal to this, and only isosceles triangle, only one option we have. So the correct option you can go for 3, or otherwise you can check with the distance. Correct option is 3, otherwise you can check for the distance. I'll find with distance also. Now 3 points are here. A minus 5 comma 0, B 5 comma 0, C is 0 comma 4. First I'll find AB distance. The distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square, so 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5, AB, I'm calculating AB, and 0 minus 0. So it's clearly 10 whole square, which is nothing but root 100, which is nothing but 10. BC distance 5004. So BC distance will be under root 0 minus 5 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square, so which is nothing but 0 minus 5, 5 square, 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 is 41. In the same way, AC minus 5004. So AC distance will be 0 plus 5 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square. 0 plus 5 also is 25. 16. So total answer is here also 41. See, BC equals AC. BC equals AC. Therefore it is isosceles triangle. Option 3 was correct. The x-axis divides the line joining the points A 2 comma minus 3, B 5 comma 6. So x1 y1, x2 y2. X-axis, the formula is minus y1 is to y2. So here minus y1 is minus 3, y2 is 6. So 3 is to 6, which is nothing but 1 is to 2. So the correct option is 1. Next one, if 4 vertices of a parallelogram are given, so here diagonals bisect each other. So midpoint of this, I'll take it as A, B, in order they told, so C and D. So midpoint of AC, midpoint of A, minus 3 minus 1, C 3 comma 3 equals midpoint of B, A comma B, D is 4 comma 3. So midpoint formula is here x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So if we'll substitute the values here, minus 3 plus 3 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 by 2, a plus 4 by 2, b plus 3 by 2. So abscissa I'll equate with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate. Minus 3 plus 3 here, minus 3 plus 3 by 2 is 0 by 2, which is 0. A plus 4 by 0 by 2, a plus 4 by 2 is 2 to cancel. So a plus 4 is 0, a equals minus 4. In the same way, b plus 3 by 2, minus 1 plus 3 is 2 by 2, 2 to cancel. So b plus 3 is 2, b is 2 minus 3, b is minus 1. Minus 4 comma 1, minus 4 comma minus 1. They are asking the ratio of a and b. So minus 4 is to minus 1. So the answer is 4 is to 1. So the correct option is 1. Here, if the points a comma 0, 0 comma b and 1 comma 1 are collinear, then 1 by a plus 1 by b. See, whenever they'll ask the missing values and if they'll say the points are collinear, go for like area. A comma 0, 0 comma b. This is on x-axis, y-axis and 1 comma 1. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. That all the points are collinear. So area will be 0. Half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equals 0. So half mod x1 a into b minus 1 x2 0 1 minus 0 plus x3 1 into 0 minus b. 2 if we'll transpose here, ab plus 0 and here 1 second, ab, a into minus 1 is minus a plus 0, 1 into minus b is minus b. So ab minus a minus b equals 0. So if we take out the modulus, ab minus a minus b equals 0. So ab equals a plus b. So if we divide everything by ab, so you will get here 1 equals 1 by b, because a cancel, bb cancel, 1 by a. So 1 by a plus 1 by b value is 1. So the correct option is 3. Next question. The centroid of the triangle formed by the points 3 comma minus 5 minus 7 comma 4. Centroid G is k comma minus 1. Find the value of k. K is only x, you can find only x value. Centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So equals k comma minus 1. So now if we substitute the values here, x1 3 minus 7 plus 10 by 3, y1 minus 5 plus 4 minus k by 3. You can equate abscissa or ordinate. So here I'll equate abscissa. So 10 plus 3, 13, 13 minus 7, 6. 6 by 3 equals k. 6 by 3 equals k. So k equals 2. K equals 2. So the correct option is 2. If you want, you can check for ordinate also. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. minus 1 minus k by 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus k is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 1 if I'll transpose plus 1. So minus k is minus 2, minus minus cancel. So the value of k is 2. In this way you can simplify that. Next, the last question if you'll see altitudes of two similar triangles AM and PN are the altitudes. See here, I'll tell one word that if you'll remember, spam this. S for sides, P for like perimeter, A for altitudes, angle bisectors, M for medians. These all will be in the same ratio. So sides, perimeters, altitudes, angle bisector and medians. So here sides AB square by PQ square are given. So squares if I'll send to the other side, AB by PQ is root 4 by 9, which is 2 by 3. So sides ratio is 2 by 3. So altitude AM is to PN will also be in the ratio 2:3. So the correct option is 4. In the given figure, triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC, here DE is parallel to BC, AE is A units, EC is B units, DE is X units. AE is A, EC is B, DE is X, BC is Y. So here see, whenever they'll ask about DE or BC, though the line is parallel, BPT will not work out. So small triangle and the big triangle we need to prove similar. AED and ACB. Triangle AED and triangle ACB. I'll prove similar. So see, angle A is common in both. Common angle. Next, angle AED equals ACB because corresponding angles. So triangle AED is similar to triangle ACB. Now I'll write the sides proportion. AE by AC, ED by CB, AD by AB, because triangles are similar by angle similarity. By CPST we can write sides are proportional. Now if I will substitute the values, AE is A, AC is A plus B, ED is X, CB is Y. So X equals this Y if we will transpose here, AY by A plus B equals X. So the correct option is X equals AY by A plus B. Correct option is 1. Next question. If the length of the diagonals of a rhombus, so then each side of the rhombus, see this is based on Pythagoras theorem. So the length of the diagonals, see diagonals bisect each other. So if it is 24, I'll write 12 and 12. The other one is 10, so I'll write 5 and 5. So diagonal bisect each other at perpendicular. So I need to find the side. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So x square is 25 plus 144. X square is 169. X equals root 169, which is 13 units. Here it is centimeters. So the correct option is 4. Next one. In the given figure, PA is a tangent and at external point P and radius is 3 centimeters. PA is 4. We need to find only PB. So directly PB we cannot find. First I'll find OP. So because angle between radius and tangent is 90. So if I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So OP square equals OA square plus AP square. So OP square is 9 plus 16. OP square is 25. OP is root 25, which is nothing but 5. Now OP is 5 centimeters, but OP is nothing but OB plus BP. OB plus BP, which is 5. See, OA is 3 centimeters, so OB is also 3 centimeters because radius, plus PB is 5. So PB is 5 minus 3. PB is 2 centimeters. So the correct option is 4. In two concentric circles, a chord of length 24 centimeters of the larger circle, here it's 24, becomes a tangent. If it is a tangent, the angle between radius and tangent is 90. So perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So I'll mark this point as P. Then the radius of the larger circle, so which is nothing but here x. So this I'll consider it as x. So I need to find x. So if we'll take the triangle OPB, in triangle OPB, x square equals 5 square plus 12 square. So x square equals 25 plus 144. X square equals 169. Root 169, which is nothing but 13 centimeters. So the correct option is 4. Next, the area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. See, square is of side 10 centimeters. Circle is inscribed in it. So side is 10. So diameter is 10, radius is 5. So area of a circle is pi r square. Pi into 5 square. So 25 pi centimeters square. So the correct option is 4. Next one, the height of a cone. See, cone, if you'll take the height of a cone is 3 meters, radius is 4 meters. We need to find slant height. So height, radius. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, slant height L square equals h square plus r square. H is 3, r is 4. 9 plus 16, which is 25. So L equals under root 25. So slant height is 5 meters. The correct option is 3. If the radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is half, keeping the height same, then the ratio of the volume of the cylinder thus obtained to the volume of the original. See, original one, I'll take radius r, height is h. If the radius of the base of the right circular cylinder is halved, the new cylinder, the radius is halved, height is same. So they are asking the volume of new cylinder, pi r square h by pi r square h. This is new to the original. So pi and pi cancel. New one, radius is r by 2 whole square by h. Old one, radius is r square, height is h. H cancel. R square by 4 by r square. R square cancel. 1 by 4. So the ratio is 1:4. Correct option is 1. Next one, tan theta. See, tan theta is root 3. So tan theta, root 3 in tan you will get for like 60 degrees. So theta is 60 degrees. Now they are asking like second theta. So sec 60 degrees. So sec 60 degrees value is 2. The value of sec 60 is 2. So the correct option is here 1. Next one, a chord of a circle. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees. So at center, then the length of the chord is, so here a chord of a circle making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Then the length of the chord. See, if it is making angle 60 degrees, the other two sides are equal. So the other two angles also will be equal. So if we'll consider this as x, this also x because of isosceles property. So x plus one angle is 60 equals 180. 2x equals 180 minus 60. 2x is 120, so x is 60. So it is an equilateral triangle. So radius is 6, so the length of the chord is also 6 centimeters. So the correct option is 2. Next question, the value of tan 10 degrees, tan 15 degrees, tan 75, tan 80. First step, like tan 10, complementary values write together. Tan 15, tan 75. In tan 10 and tan 80, change any one. Like tan 10 I'll write as tan 90 minus 80. Tan 80 as it is. Tan 15 I'll write as tan 90 minus 75. Then tan 75 as it is. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 80 into tan 80. Cot 75, tan 75. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Cot theta into tan theta is 1. So 1 times 1, the answer is 1. So the correct option is 3. Next one, tan theta plus cot theta is 5. Tan theta plus cot theta is 5. So I'll do squaring on both sides. A plus b whole square, so a square, because I need the value of tan square plus cot square, plus b square plus 2ab. 2 tan theta cot theta is 25. So tan square theta plus 2 tan into cot, they are reciprocal, so its value is 1. So tan square plus cot square, 25 minus 2, which is nothing but 23. So the correct option is 3, which is 23. Cos 36 into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 into sin 54. So here cos 36 degrees I can write as cos 90 minus 54, and cos 54 I can write as cos 90 minus 36, minus, as it is both will not change, sin 36 and sin 54 degrees. So now cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin 54 into sin 36 minus sine 36 sine 54. Both will get cancelled, so the answer is 0. The correct option is 2. Next one. If two towers of height h1 and h2 subtend angle 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively at the midpoint of the line segment joining their feet. So two towers joining their feet exactly midpoint. One subtends an angle 60 degrees, the other one subtends an angle 30 degrees. The ratio of their heights h1, h2. So this I'll take it as x and x because P is the midpoint. So tan 60 is h1 by x. Root 3 x is h1. Tan 30 is h2 by x. 1 by root 3 is h2 by x. So h2 is x by root 3. h1 is to h2. Root 3x x by root 3. So root 3x divided by x by root 3, it will become root 3 by x. X and x cancel, so it's 3. You can add as 3 by 1, so the answer is 3 is to 1. So the correct option is 4. Next one. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of a lighthouse from the top of a 60-meter high building. 60-meter high building. The angle of elevation, depression from here, they saw the top and bottom of the lighthouse at an angle of depression 30 and 60. Depression you need to show here 30 and this total is 60. Then the difference between the heights of lighthouse and building. So we need to find the height of the lighthouse first. So this I will consider as x. So if this is h, this will be h and this will be 60 minus h. So tan 30 is 60 minus h by x. 1 by root 3 is 60 minus h by x. And in the same way, tan 60 is 60 by x. Root 3 x equals 60. X equals 60 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 60 root 3 by 3. So x is 20 root 3. 1 by root 3 equals 60 minus h by x, which is 20 root 3. Root 3 root 3 cancel. 20 equals 60 minus h. H equals 60 minus 20, which is nothing but 40. So height is 40, but they want the difference. So 60 minus 40, which is nothing but 20. So the correct option is 1. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? See, 0 it's possible because it's an impossible event. 4 by 5 proper fraction, that is also possible. 1 is also possible for sure event. Probability cannot be an improper fraction, so option 3. Because favorable outcomes cannot be more than total outcomes. So option 3 is not possible. If one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards, then the probability of getting a non-face card. See, face cards are like king, queen, jack. Like this, there are 3 king, queen, jack, and they'll be like in every suit, like diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. So total face cards are 12, but they want non-face card. So non-face cuts is like 52 minus 12 if we'll take out, so 40. So 40 by 52. 4 times 10, 4 times 1, 4 times 3. So the answer is 10 by 13. So the correct option is 2. Next one. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective. So total 144. Defective ones 20. So good pens are 124, because 144 minus 20 is 124. Rafia will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. The probability that she will buy that pen is, she will buy the good one. So good pens are 124 by 144. So 124 by 144 will cancel it. 4 table. 4 3 4 1. 4 times 3 12 24. 4 times 6, so 31 by 36. The correct option is 3. A bag contains 3 red balls. Red balls 3, black 5, total 8. If a ball is drawn at random from the bag, the probability of getting a red ball, so it's 3 by 8. Red balls are 3, total are 8. So the probability of getting a red ball, so correct option is 4, 3 by 8. Next, if the mean of the following is 15, then find the value of phi. So see, mean, x and f are given, so I'll find fx. So otherwise I'll write here clearly, xf. X is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 6, 8, 6, y, 5. Fx, 5 times 6, 30, 10 times 8, 80, 15 times 6, 90, 20y, and this is 25 times 125. By sigma fi, if you do 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 25 plus y. And if you calculate here, 90 plus 30 is 120, 120 plus 80, 200 plus 125, which is sigma fi xi is 325 plus 20y. So the mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So mean is 15, 325 plus 20y, 25 plus y. Cross multiply 15 into 25 plus y, 325 plus 20y. So here, see, I just cross multiplied 25 times 25 plus y times 15. So 25 into 15, if I do it, 375 plus 15y, 325 plus 20y. 375 minus 325, 20y minus 15y. 50 equals 5y. Y equals 50 by 5, which is nothing but 10. So the correct option is 3. The difference, if the difference between mode and mean of a data is k times the difference between median and mean. See, we know the formula like mode equals 3 median minus 2 mean. So now see, I want the difference between mode minus mean. So see here, it's minus 2 mean. So what I'll do, I'll subtract mean from both the sides. Minus 3 median. If I'll subtract here mean also, here minus 3 mean. So if I'll take 3 common, 3 into median minus mean. So they want this only. Mode minus mean is k times. So in place of k, we have 3. So the correct option is 2. The median of first 10 prime numbers. So first 10 prime numbers, if I'll write here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 23, 29. So 9 and 10. So there are even observations. So n by 2, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, the average. So 10 by 2, if I'll take 10 by 2 observation, 10 by 2 plus 1th observation. So that is nothing but 5th plus 5 plus 1, 6th observation by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 11 plus 13 by 2, 24 by 2, which is 12. So the correct option is 2. Next one. For a given data 50 observations, the less than ogive and more than ogive intersect at 15.5, 20. The median of the data is. Now see, less than ogive and more than ogive, less than ogive and more than ogive, wherever they are intersecting, their abscissa value, that is x value, is the median. So in this question, the median is 15.5. So the correct option is 1. So here the last question. So the model class here, but the class is already, it is in less than cumulative frequency. So first I'll write the classes. Class less than 10, so I'll write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Now frequency. See, whenever they'll give less than, the next column will not be the frequency, it is less than cumulative frequency. Now I'll write the frequency, that is 3, 12 minus 3, which is 9, 27 minus 12, 15, 57 minus 27, 30, 75 minus 57, which is 18, 75 minus 57, 18, and 80 minus 75 is 5. So this is class and frequency. So the model class, so the frequency, highest frequency is 30. So the model class is 30 to 40. So the correct option is 1. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.